Hi everyone, in this course I'll be going over magnet gel and breaking down different ways to create nail art with it. For today's video, we're just going to start off with the basics. We can't do magnet nails without the magnet, so let's talk about the different kinds of magnets that are available on the market. Most people will have this dual-ended magnet stick that has a rectangular and circular magnet on either end. This is a pretty standard magnet that will allow you to do several looks. Beyond this, there are higher power magnets in either rectangular shapes or cylinder shapes. These are really similar to the dual-ended ones, but oftentimes they have a stronger magnetic pull than the dual-ended sticks. For today's video, I'll be using the dual-ended stick for our foundational look, the classic magnet nail, or as some people call it, velvet nails. I'll show you 3 ways to achieve this look. The first method is simply using a magnet gel that is already the same color that your client wants. Some of my favorites include the From the Nail series and the Kokoist magnet series. To start, you'll apply a coat of the magnet gel on a prepared nail. For the velvet look, I like using the rectangular magnet to collect the particles towards the center of the nail. Holding it somewhat parallel to the nail at a slight angle, I'll come in from one side and look at the particles move, then go to the opposite side and repeat until they are mostly centered. From there, I'll carefully move the magnet closer to the free edge, slightly tilting the magnet so it's about this angle. Finally, I'll bring the magnet in a similar fashion from the cuticle side of the nail and then check to see if I'm happy with how that looks. You can go in and refine the shape as you need with the rectangular magnet, but I find that if I need to do slight refining, the circle side of the magnet works a bit better. I'll take the circle magnet and move more quickly around the sides of the nail at a tilted angle until the nail has the desired effect. You can repeat this process with a second coat if needed based on the pigmentation of your magnet gel, and then just go into top coat. For the second method, this is slightly more budget friendly if you don't have a ton of magnet gels that you've invested in yet. I like to call this the sandwich method. You'll need a silver magnet gel and sheer gel colors for this look. If you don't have a sheer gel color that matches the look you want, you can always mix a solid color with base gel or a mixing gel to make a sheer color. For this look, you'll start with layering the sheer gel color on and then cure that layer. Next, apply your silver magnet to the nail and magnetize it similar to the first method. This method takes a bit more time, but could be more budget friendly as you do not need to invest in buying a variety of magnet colors up front if you already have some of the basics. If you anticipate or have been doing a lot of magnet nails lately, I would definitely consider investing in magnet gel colors as they save you a lot of time and effort. Once you're happy with how that looks, go ahead and cure that, and then apply a cover layer with the sheer gel color to change the silver magnet color into the desired color you wanted. Depending on the pigmentation of your sheer gel color, you may want to apply 2 coats. For the third method, you can do the same technique as the second, but with a black base underneath the silver magnet to give it a more intense effect. The silver particles contrast with the black base a lot more than any other color. The black base will always give your top color a deeper tone, so keep this in mind when you're layering colors. For this method, you should experiment with different silver magnets to find your desired effect, as not all silver magnets are the same. This method works mostly for deeper colors I've noticed, but definitely experiment with lighter gel colors to see how the effect looks. And those are the 3 ways to achieve the velvet magnet nail look. Experiment with the basics and try sandwiching different colors to see the effects you can get. For the next video in this course, we'll be diving into a few more fun nail art looks using magnet gel. If you try out magnet gel after watching this video, I would love to see your results. Please tag me on Instagram or TikTok at miso.nails. See you next time, good luck and have fun!